Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This parfait is highly nutritious and offers multiple health benefits. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how I made this yogurt and fruit parfait. These are the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. This parfait recipe is so rich in protein, low in cholesterol. It's an excellent source of vitamins, iron, calcium, magnesium. It's packed with healthy fruits, grains, and fiber. In this recipe, I'll be using Greek yogurt, vanilla yogurt, and strawberry yogurt. I always love to use different brands of yogurt. It gives me this burst of flavors. Feel free to use one brand of yogurt if that's what you have. We will also be using apple. Apple is highly nutritious and it has a lot of health benefits. Remember the saying that one apple a day keeps you away from the doctor. We will also be using granola. Granola is a toasted mixture of rolled oats, nuts, and a sweetener like honey. It also includes other grains, dried fruits, seed, and sometimes spices. We'll also need some peanuts and cashew nuts, grapes, and strawberries. In this case, I used frozen grapes and strawberries, but it's optional. And then you will also need a transparent glass cup or any transparent container. If you would love me to post a video on how to make granola, let me know in the comment section. On this channel, I share videos on food, cakes, and business. Kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed. This parfait is highly nutritious and offers multiple health benefits. It's an excellent source of vitamins, iron, calcium, magnesium. It's packed with healthy fruits, grains, and fiber. On this channel, I share videos on food, cakes, and business. Kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos, you'll be informed.